Konnichiwa guys! Another day, another experience dito sa Coach. Hindi ko akalain na may ganitong Coach store pala. Visited Coach Play at Cat Street in Harajuku and sobrang na-amaze ako sa experience. Hindi lang siya shopping destination ha, it's a whole Coach experience. Na-amaze lang ako the whole time kasi hindi lang siya ordinary store. May coffee shop inside, Coachtopia bags, lot of cute charms for personalizing your bag, exclusive items, and ang daming fun spot to explore and take photos. If you are curious kung ano talaga yung meron sa loob, tara silipin natin. Ang vibe dito guys, very western, very New York City, maraming pailaw. Sa entrance pa lang pwede ka na mag-picture. As well as in the entrance, makikita nyo na rin yung mga exclusive and limited items nila that only available here in Cat Street. Here you can see a lot of Coachtopia items. To give you an idea what is Coachtopia guys, Coachtopia is a Coach sustainability focus line. This is to create bags, accessories, and products using recycled, repurposed, or more responsibly sourced materials to help reduce waste. Many of the pieces have playful, colorful, and younger vibe compared to traditional Coach collection. Next floor naman guys are exclusively only for tabbies. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga tabbies guys, dito na kayo dumiretso kasi mas marami kayong pagpipilian. Sizes, colors, materials, may soft, may structured, so kayo nang bahalang mamili dito. Prices vary depending on the style and collection guys, since these are all brand new. May mga premium pieces din dito like yung mga tabbies. So alam nyo na yung mga price niyan, mag-expect na kayo. Then the next floor guys are mixed items for women and for men. So dito nyo na makikita yung mga iba-ibang Coach and designs na available nila dito sa shop. The third floor guys is the experience. Parang hindi lang ako pumasok sa Coach store, feeling ko nasa creative workshop ako where you can see how bags are designed, customized, and given a second life through Coachtopia. You don't actually make a full Coach bag from scratch, but the experience is designed to make you feel closer to creation and personalization process. So marami kayong mga charms, may mga material from Coachtopia na pwede nyong gawin or i-put dun sa bag na gusto nyo. And guys, mind you, huwag kayong mahihiya sa mga staff. They are super nice. They don't just assist you, they'll actually tour you around and explain the different areas. Kaya mas na-appreciate ko yung whole experience ko dito. And then lastly, the fourth floor guys is dedicated for their coffee shop. Meron din silang coffee cart sa labas pero mas pinili kong magkape dito guys kasi first time ko to. It's a nice experience din and a lifetime na magkakape ka muna habang nag-iisip ka, magde-decide ka kung ano yung mga items na gusto mong bilhin sa isang brand or sa isang store. And definitely it helps guys kasi makakapag-isip-isip ka muna ng mga items na talagang magde-decide ka kung gusto mo ba, kung deserve mo ba. Especially nandito tayo sa Coach Create, syempre mag-iisip talaga tayo ng mga designs kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nating ilagay or i-create sa ating brand. So April, we're checking out ba? For me, yes, especially if you are curious about Coach, fashion, or just looking for something unique to do here in Harajuku. Let me know kung kayo rin kung gusto nyong pumunta dito. Anyway, that's my little Coach Play discovery for today. Hope you enjoy exploring it with me. Don't forget to follow me. Yun lang, follow me for more gala. Bye!